guys, so let's go through the user interface and the menus and show you what this baby can do, guys. So see this circle here, that touch screen bit there is basically brings you to the main home screen. You cannot swipe left or right, it won't do nothing. It's only up or down, guys. So we're gonna swipe down, and the first menu we get to messages. So this is where all your messages are. Let's go down again, and this is where all your settings are. I'm gonna do a bit more in depth on this, so let's just carry on. I'll come back to that in a minute. So here you can select different kind of workouts, so whatever you're doing, you can select here, guys. So I'm just gonna select cycling indoor, alerts every 10 minutes. So let's go. Now ready to do this exercise, indoor cycling. So it will bring up your heart rate and obviously the stopwatch there, so which is quite cool. I don't know how it's picking up. It's already picking up my heart rate, so that's cool. Okay. Right, I've paused it. I can continue, or I can just say I don't want to continue. End session. Exactly, I just want to end session. Workout too short to be recorded. Yeah, I can understand that. I'm just demonstrating to my YouTubers right now. So you got your sleep time right there, guys. So when you sleep, it records how long you slept for, so which is quite cool. And you got your heart rate as well, guys, so which is quite cool. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and just put it on my fingers there, so see if we can measure it. It says please stay still. Oh, it's not picking up. Oh, it's picking up. How cool is that? 75 beats per minute. That's quite good. Okay, let's get out of that, because I gotta show you some more features. Okay, so you got your step count right there, guys, and don't forget all my information reset it for the next day, because it's kind of midnight while I'm reviewing this. So that's it, guys. That's all the main menus. But if you go into this one, more settings, here we got timer, stopwatch. You also can change the faces from here as well, and you got your find my phone feature. I really like this feature, guys, because watch what happens. Just hear what it says.
I'm here. I'm here.
So that's pretty loud because the phone is next to me, but you know what I mean. That's what it does when you click on that, and it's quite cool. Like it says I'm here. It's kind of relevant. So you got your brightness control as well, guys. So you can do brightness up and down. I just left it at that. All the annoying thing is that it keeps going back to the main watch face. Okay. So you got the screen on function as well, so I can just put that on for 5 minutes, and then the screen's not going to go off now for 5 minutes. Let's go back in here. You can also check your battery level here. So I got 95% battery remaining, and let's go back in here again, and you can go into system, and this is where you actually power off your smart band, guys. To turn the smart band on, you have to charge it up, and then it comes on. I've been trying, there's no other buttons and nothing. I've been holding this down, it would not come on. It only came on when I charged it, and then I looked in the user guide and it says, yeah, that's the only way it will come on when you charge it. So that's that for you guys. Let's go back in there again. I'm going to go to system. If you go to the bottom of system, it says about. and here it tells you what firmware it has. So this is pretty the latest firmware. If you play music through your phone, you can also pause or skip track through here as well. And you also get your notifications. So I'm just going to get my partner to send us a notification now. So here comes a text message from my partner, Alison. What's up, YouTubers? Make sure you like, subscribe to Cool Gadget Reviews, guys. So when you get text messages and stuff and other messages, this is the size of the font and how the message appears on your Honor Band 5. So that's really cool. But you cannot reply back from there, so that is really cool. So let me just quickly show you the Huawei Health app, guys. So this is the Huawei Health app, and it's quite good app, one of the best apps I've seen out there, guys. So if you click on exercise, and everything will be recorded here, and click on me. So basically these are the messages, my data, my achievements, monthly, weekly reports, and so on. So there's quite a lot there, guys. You can even have my medals, so that is quite cool. Also, let's go back to devices right here, guys. So when you click on devices, click on your devices on a band 5, and you have some data there as well, fitness data, and you got the watch face menu, which I showed you earlier, guys. Click on there and then you can download different watch faces and stuff. I will do another review on just the watch faces, so make sure you subscribe and look out for that video. And you can go down activity reminder, so if you've been sitting for over an hour, it will start beeping at you. And you can do continuous heart rate, alarm, do not disturb, notifications, weather reports. So it's quite packed, this health app, so it's quite good, guys. I mean, I really recommend you guys buy this. It's kind of awesome. So yeah, guys, if you really fancy buying one of these, check in my description below. So yeah, guys, we're really looking forward to buy one of these Huawei Honor Band 5 fitness tracker or smart band. It's on for $29.99. Just checking the description below in my video. There's a link there for Amazon affiliate, which is through my Amazon affiliate, and click on that, buy through there. I really appreciate it, because that way I get a little bit of commission, which kind of sponsors my channel, and I could do more reviews on gadgets like this. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried not to make it too long, but sometimes just to explain everything, review everything, the video does tend to get long. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, comment below if you've got any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them. So yeah, drop a comment below, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Like this video, it really helps my channel out. So look out for more of the video coming soon, which I'm just going to do a video on the watch face. So I'll show all the different designs on here. So that should be a good video to look forward to. Yeah, so until next time, guys, peace out. And it just keeps going and going. There's so many here, guys, for different seasons as well, like the Christmas ones as well, Halloween ones. There's just so many. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and we'll show you how to install some of these watch faces onto your Honor Band 5. There's just so many, guys. It just keeps going.